one-bedroom villa in Portofino Bay this weekend for our annual meeting, and I thought you might like a look at it. We have here, when you walk in, the first bathroom and shower, and then the living room area is quite large. Lots of space in here. And we have a great view here of the harbor area. Very nice. And there is a large kitchenette back here. Fridge, a couple of fridges, microwave, etc. And then the bedroom is through here. It's actually 2 rooms connecting, so you can get into this second room with a key this way too, if you don't want to come through. A coffee machine, some robes here, and the second bathroom and shower. And that's it. It's a great space.